Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations Art, Craft and Cooking. So I'm making video after a long time, sorry for that. And so here today in this video I will show you unboxing and review of Camel Artist Acrylic Colors. These are 40 ml colors and there are 12 colors, 12 shades. I purchased this in Amazon. It costed me around 1000 rupees. So its actual price is 1100. So let's unbox this. First, let's remove the outer plastic covering. So let's open this. Okay, wow, it's pretty nice. So here we have 12 colors. So let's see each one of them. So it is titanium white. We'll make color swatches. Okay, we'll just tell all the colors. So this is black. Here it's burnt sienna. This is lemon yellow. This is yellow ochre. And this is permanent yellow deep. Here acrylic, so this I will tell you about this too later. So here we have Scarlet Lake, Crimson Lake, Cobalt Blue Hue. Okay, here it's Prussian Blue, which I use the most. So this is Sap Green. So this is Viridian Hue. So here there are two mediums. One is acrylic retarder medium and the other is acrylic gel medium. So here see this acrylic retarder medium is used in order to slow down the drying time of acrylic colors. So when we blend two colors, we use this retarder medium in order to the acrylic colors dry soon. So in order to increase the drying time, we use this retarder medium, so it will blend colors well. And gel medium is used to thicken the acrylic colors in order to create nice strokes, brush strokes, and it increases the transparency of the colors without compromising the consistency. Okay, so it has a unique effect, and it is used in order to create a different brush strokes. This is used to lessen up. This is used to slow down the drying time of the acrylic colors. So here they have provided a shade swatches. So let's see each of the color and create color swatches of our own. So let me tell you that each tube is of 40 ml. Okay, so let's create color swatches. So this is 300 GSM A5 size paper. Okay, this is white. And I love to create color swatches. So the colors are very good, they're vibrant. Like, I just love Camel acrylic colors. So here is black. So here is our color swatch, but I'm sad that the green got messed up. Okay, but okay. let's so the color which I like the most in this is Crimson Lake, Cobalt Blue Hue, and Lemon Yellow. And let me know which are the colors that you like the most in the comment section below. And at the end, this product is like good to go. It's worth the money, and it's very good for the beginners. So I'd recommend this product to all the viewers. If you like painting, painting is very it's a soothing hobby which will just it's a way to make us feel relaxed. So this Camel Artist Acrylic Colors are good to go, and let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. These are the things which I use as I'm a good paint artist. Okay, so and thanks for. So friends, do follow our Instagram art page at artistic_art gallery and be a part of my art journey. And don't forget to follow and keep supporting as you all have supported us in this YouTube. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and let me know your favorite color in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Keep watching Baran Creations. Will be coming soon with a lot of videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.